Here's a new 2025 Honda Civic Hatchback Hybrid. When you think of a hatchback, you think of fun. When you think of a hybrid, you think of efficiency. When you drive this Civic Hatchback Hybrid, you'll think this is your perfect blend of both. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.